Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BUR-thuh, and today's video, obviously by the title, I have a very special guest that will be applying a full face, well, a full set of makeup on me, lashes included. I want my eyebrows fleeked because you know I don't play that. Well, here's my special guest. His name is Sean.
Sean, aka Sean Mindset. You can follow me on Instagram. I don't use Facebook, you know. But you already know the vibes.
Okay, so Sean is gonna be doing my makeup from start to finish. I already moisturized or whatever. And yeah, let's just get started because time isn't running. So obviously Sean has no idea what he's doing. So I laid out everything for him, everything I use. I'm not gonna, I guess I can tell him what order they go in because either way he's gonna fuck it anyways. But yeah, let's just see what happens. Come on. That goes first?
This goes first. That's a foundation.
Alright, tell me. Do I put it up?
You're giving me, first of all, put that down. That's like step 4.
What? Okay.
First of all, we have to color correct. It's this one. And this is to correct any imperfections my skin may have. No.
Okay.
What? Don't squeeze too hard, but...
So, this right here. Okay, I don't want to focus. Right here.
No, it's coming out. That's kind of a lot. Oh, well.
Gotta do my thing. Just shh. You gonna put your hair in the back or something?
I'm scared. I'm scared my hair has to go back. I'm officially frightened.
So just go all over the face, right?
Oh. Do I have imperfections all over my face?
Really, nigga?
Okay, so you got one right here. And we'll see.
Wait. Do you guys see? First of all, okay.
Alright, so what do I do to brush it in?
Not that one. This one.
Okay, so you use this to brush it. Step 2. Look at it. Finessing. You gotta get the red cheeks in.
Use all of it.
I like white baby wipes. Like take some of this off the top.
Look at that baby wipes. Yo.
Not that bad. It's not that bad. To get in there. Okay, you looking like
Like a Oompa Loompa.
Alright. What are you talking about? Alright. Step 3.
What was step 2?
The brush.
Interesting. Eyebrows.
Already? I thought I was like...
Use your brain.
Use my finger.
Why would I pass you a brush so that you can use your finger?
Put on it, then like smooth it out.
Okay. let's think about what this brush does. This is a brush, and what brushes are for hair.
Yeah.
And this is what? This is some type of applicator.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
So I'll use this side.
You don't want to
I'll use it.
Why are you just jogging?
No,
You don't have to. Okay, you would look a little rough though. Like you was digging holes.
This is all fucked up. Nah, this shit hard as fuck. I'm trying to picture how you wear it, and it's like,
Oh my god.
no.
I'm ugly. You don't have to worry about cleaning up at this second. Clean it, what you mean? Remove it completely? I mean, you can, like, you see? And it's like, oh no, you did not just use your spit. I know you did it.
Trying to finesse.
Ew.
It's just this one bothering me.
Oh.
On to the next.
And all my correctives are from LA Girl Pro. Okay, I give you a brush.
It's already a brush, right?
I mean, I guess, but I give you a brush. That works.
I don't know how that was supposed to clean what up.
When used properly, it works. Listen,
Like,
this is what you're doing. You gotta do it and keep it pushing. Remember what you said.
so how do I?
That works.
This one works. This one. See that little that's on what?
This should look like a fucking.
Like, what is? It's bothering me. What is that?
Alright, let's move along. Foundation.
Squeeze this on this. Also, put this on your face.
You can put it on my face. Like, I mean, it'll.
Just goes all over your face.
You can use this and highlight.
This again?
Yes. It's a color. It's a concealer. But it's not, so.
Gotta see how you look right now. See where I can put this. I don't think I need this.
He doesn't need it. You don't need it then. You can just use that on my face. Okay, something, right?
Whew. Yeah. Come on. Come on. What? I need to do this shit more often. Okay.
Technically, you're done with my face, and then it's highlight and then lashes. Now it's time for Sean to apply my, oh my god, I look bad. It's time for Sean to apply my lashes. So let me see. First of all,
Alright, okay, that's it. That's it, that's all I got. That's all I got.
this one is not so, oh. Oh. Oh my god. Can you adjust the brightness? Because I'm looking real bleached right now. Let's see. Okay.
Okay.
It's not a terrible job. Obviously it's trash, but what happened here? Oh, wow. My lashes are barely on. Oh wow. Look at my eyebrows. Oh man. Do you guys see? This is what he did.
Not a bad job.
I mean, you get an A for effort.
A.
I feel like it looked cute because I'm cute. But like, this is not it. Like, he did not blend my neck, or he didn't even go to my edges. Like,
I'm supposed to do all that. I ain't want to fuck up your edges.
I mean, this is,
Out of 10, what you give it?
out of 10, this is a 0.
Ew!
This is, okay.
That's cool.
I'm gonna give you a solid 2. I'm gonna give you a 2 because the lashes aren't tragic. I've seen worse. I mean, eyebrows are garbage. Blending is garbage. But my highlight is popping. Because there's nothing. One job. And you knew where to color correct.
So that's still a 2 though?
Yes, that's the 2.
First of all, the eyebrows is the hardest part.
And they're doo-doo.
Correct. So that should be, I feel like I should get like a solid 5.
For what?
For my first time. A solid 5 is fair.
Okay, yeah.
A solid 5 is fair.
If you think Sean deserves a 5, let me know in the comments. But other than that, 0. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you guys want to see Sean again, let me know. He failed, but it's okay. He's a man. It's expected.
I mean, if you my side anyway, I feel like I did a pretty good job. I
Interesting.
feel like niggas will still talk to you.
Probably. Because I'm cute. Like.
Alright.
Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Hello. And I'm gonna see you guys later.